Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix MySubaru app is not working. Alright, if your MySubaru app is not working, not connecting or commands aren't going through, I am going to walk you through the most common fix in simple terms. First, check the basic. Make sure your phone has a strong internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. If your phone has no signal, the app will not work. Next, close the app completely. Swipe off from the and close the MySubaru app. Then reopen it and try to log in back. If that doesn't work, check for the update. Open the App Store, search MySubaru. If you see update, tap it. Outdated apps are one of the biggest reasons it stopped working. Now check your Subaru. Your vehicle must have cellular service, door closed, engine off. Remote feature will fail if the car has no signal or is already running. Next, check your subscription. Open the MySubaru app, tap menu or account, then tap subscription. If your Starlink or remote service subscription is expired, features like remote start will not work. Renew it if needed. If the app still doesn't work, log out and log in back. Tap on account, tap on log out, then close the app, open it again and sign back in. If still having issues, delete and reinstall the app. Delete MySubaru from your phone, restart your phone, reinstall the app and log in back in. Final step, if nothing works, contact MySubaru support and ask them to refresh your Starlink connection, rescan your vehicle to your account. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.